Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what we can do these days with the AI video generator in Kapwing, kapwing.com video editor. Kapwing has recently been pushing AI a lot. They have started some improvements, but they had some functions already and they are planning for more. So this is what they have in September 2023. We see already a lot of online video editors which claim that they can produce like a YouTube-like video just with 1 or 2 sentences. We see this currently, for example, on Vimeo or Vid.io, these pages. You can see their ads, but unfortunately I haven't found any of these video editors which are giving out free trial. I guess also not Kapwing, so I'm going to show you what's possible in 2023 if it's worth the subscription. So here we have something, so I call it test AI for YouTube, and for the AI function we can click here or here on top. So we have a couple of options here. We have the create video. We can give the topic. So whatever you have, write everything here. So I have already prepared something. I've been thinking about making a GoPro 12 Hero Black recommendation based on the AI. But because of the result, which you will see at the end, I gave up with this idea. Of course, I still had to do some research. So this is what I have written in the text field here. Generate a video about why it's not recommended to buy the new GoPro 12 Hero Black, and mention overheating problems, minor quality night footage, and limited battery runtime, which are still not fixed because the GoPro 12 is using same CPU and sensor and a very similar lens as the previous models. So we have the text. Now we have to decide the size. Of course, that's for YouTube, and because I'm male, I'm choosing the male voice. Of course, English. That looks like a fancy subtitle. Can add even more. I don't know if it's really needed. Maybe we can do it also without, I don't know. Then we give the duration. Let's pick 2 minutes, and we want to have royalty free content only, so we can post it on YouTube. So that's it. And now let's click on generate video. So it looks like it's getting close. This is only after 1 minute, saying adding layers to the project. By the way, I have it already tried in a very different way, just saying generate a script and then going from there, and it was not very successful because then it didn't add any pictures or videos for the background, and so it was pretty much just the text, which is definitely disappointing. But now we have it. My requirement was 2 minutes. It's a little bit longer, but still pretty short. Now let's listen what it has done. So of course I could start it here, but of course it's a little bit easier to see and listen after I hit the export key and export the project. I mean, render the whole video. I'm choosing 1080p, good quality. Let's see, takes usually a couple of minutes, but it was pretty fast. I mean, the whole process was just about 1 or 2 minutes. Now probably a little bit longer for the rendering process. Okay, and so it's ready. It took quite a while. I haven't checked exactly, but maybe it was 15 minutes or so, but it doesn't matter. I mean, the good thing with online video editors is that the rendering process doesn't consume any CPU power. You could even put your PC to sleep, let it render overnight, you wake up in the morning and then you have it, unless it fails, which sometimes happens, but not so many times with Kapwing. And so here we are. I have already watched it. At the beginning I've been a little bit disappointed, but I kept watching the whole thing, that whole 2 minutes, and at the very end I had to say, yeah, that's actually pretty cool what they have done. I mean, it's not comparable to a video which you do manually, and because they didn't have any premium footage, only royalty free footage, of course it was a little bit difficult to get great matches for the topics. But the whole thing is pretty cool what they've done. I just don't have any idea if somebody would watch this thing. If I put it online on YouTube on my channel, would people really watch this thing? I'm really tempted to do that, and yeah, I guess I will do that. But of course, I will write it into the description that it's an AI video. I will also leave then a text in the feedback area that it was not me, that I just did the research and wrote to the AI some ideas about the content. And so that you don't have to go to the other video, I will play it now here for you, 2 minutes and about 10 seconds. And after that, I will finish this video. And after that, I will make a short finish to this video.
Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today, we need to have a serious chat about the brand new GoPro 12 Hero Black. Now, before you rush to the store and grab one for your next adrenaline-filled escapade, there are a few things you need to know. First and foremost, let's talk about overheating. Now, we all know that GoPros are known for their compact size and durability, but unfortunately, they haven't quite cracked the code when it comes to handling heat. Many users have reported that the GoPro 12 Hero Black tends to overheat during prolonged use, which can be a major buzzkill, especially if you're in the middle of capturing an epic moment. Next up, let's talk about night footage. I don't know about you, but some of the most breathtaking moments happen when the sun goes down and the stars come out. However, the GoPro 12 Hero Black seems to struggle when it comes to capturing high-quality night footage. You might find yourself with grainy and somewhat disappointing results, which is a shame considering the price tag attached to this beast. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: battery runtime. Now, we've all been there. You're on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, and suddenly, your GoPro starts flashing that dreaded low battery warning. It's frustrating, to say the least. Unfortunately, it seems like the GoPro 12 Hero Black is still plagued by limited battery life. Despite the advancements in technology, GoPro hasn't made any significant improvements in this area, which can be a real deal breaker for many users. Ultimately, it's important to remember that the GoPro 12 Hero Black may not be the perfect choice for everyone. The overheating issues, the average night footage quality, and the limited battery runtime are still prevalent, as the device utilizes the same CPU, sensor, and a very similar lens as its previous models. So, before you make your purchase, take a moment to consider these factors. As always, I encourage you to do your own research and make a decision that best suits your needs. Until next time, happy adventuring, my friends.
So that's it. I hope you are still here and you have been watching the whole video, and it would be really super interesting to learn from you what you think about what they have done, what you think about the quality, what do you think about the script. I mean, I haven't done the scripting, I just gave my ideas to the AI and then the AI was doing the scripting. I didn't change anything, and it's also not possible to change anything. Of course it's possible somehow. I already told you that instead of just entering the text here, you could go to create script. This is what I have done last time, so I can do that here for you. In my subscription I can do this 50 times every month, so I sacrifice one attempt here for you. Click on 2 minutes, YouTube, and generate script, and this took only about 30 seconds or so, and you can read that. That's the whole text here. I don't know if it's the same as last time. The first time I've been reading that and it was pretty cool. I mean, it was similar to the video which is already rendered. The strange thing here is, I don't know if I just don't get it, but it looks like that I can't change this. It would be really awesome if I could change the text, because it's very unlikely that everything is perfect, but I really can't find something here. Maybe they will update this. Of course I can regenerate the script, also saying maybe I want to have it more formal, more casual, more funny, more informative and so on, but I can't change it. That's the bad thing. But I could copy that, but I don't see why this would help. But if I'm okay with that, I could click on generate video from here, and so we have moved now one step from create script to video, and we choose again these things here. I wouldn't choose the pop art because last time it failed. Then we choose also royalty free content only and then click on generate video from script. And last time it took pretty long. So you can see now it's searching for media, it's adding layers to project. I mean, it's pretty cool stuff, but the question is then, can you really put something like that online? Is it really some added value for people? Does it make fun to watch? Will people give a like, even subscribe? I've really no clue. So it looks like this time it has been doing a better job, probably even similar to the other project. Let's go back to this one here. Last time there was a huge difference. Now this time it looks very similar. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty similar to the first one. I think I like more the footage of the first one. What's also a little bit the problem regarding customization, if it's finished, you could technically replace some things. You can see you can delete some items, replace it with your own media, maybe add your own footage, some B-roll. But I have already done this and it totally messed everything up. So it's not very easy to customize it also here when everything is done, even though it's still in the video editor, but it's not very easy. So the final result was not too bad actually, but there was still a huge bummer when I uploaded this to YouTube Studio, and there they made a thorough check regarding copyright claims, and they were saying that the audio, despite I've been using royalty-free content only here or activated this button, they were saying, yeah, that the music, the audio was a copyrighted music and I couldn't monetize it or just monetize and then give pretty much all the money which I make to the copyright holder of the music, which doesn't make any sense because I had also some work. So that's really disappointed. I'm not 100% sure where this problem is coming from, but I guess they are taking the music from Pixabay, but maybe they are using the wrong option to select this, or maybe it's also when you're just using royalty free and you're using it, then it's still not. I think I've already read about this pretty much, yes, somehow like a scam when some copyright owners of music upload it to Pixabay, say it's royalty free, then people are using it, uploading to YouTube, and then YouTube says no, it's copyrighted, and then people say, yeah, okay, I've had already the huge work, I don't want to change it, so let's leave it like that and just accept that all the income will go to the copyright owner here. So that's a little bit weird. Maybe I'll dig a little bit deeper into that, but this is something which I heard. Of course, when you plan to upload to YouTube, you can download free stuff here, real royalty-free soundtracks you can download, add it to the video editor, then upload to YouTube, and then you don't have to share your income. But at the moment, I don't want to dig deeper into this topic. I'm just saying be careful. Even when you're clicking on this activating royalty-free content, then there's a huge chance that platforms like YouTube will say, okay, no, it's not royalty-free, it's copyrighted. And I forgot to choose male voice, so it's a female voice here, but it definitely works. So I will also render this one and add this one here. If you don't want to watch, you can skip 2 minutes 18 in this video. So I'm playing it now.
Hey there, YouTube fam. Today, we're diving deep into the latest tech buzz, as we take a closer look at the hot topic of the new GoPro 12 Hero Black. Now, this might come as a surprise, but I am here to tell you why it might not be the best idea to splurge on this shiny new gadget just yet. Let's break it down. First off, we have the overheating problem. Now, we all know that when it comes to action cameras, durability is key. But unfortunately, the GoPro 12 Hero Black seems to struggle with this. Many users have reported issues with the camera getting excessively hot during extended use. This not only raises concerns about the longevity of the device but also affects its performance and reliability. So, if you're planning on using your GoPro for long shoots or in hot environments, you might want to reconsider. Moving on, let's talk about the night footage quality. Now, don't get me wrong, the GoPro 12 Hero Black does deliver stunning visuals in daylight. However, when it comes to low light situations, it falls a bit short. Users have noticed that the image quality at night is not as sharp and vibrant as they were expecting. So, if you're someone who loves capturing adventures after sundown, you might be disappointed with the results. Lastly, we have the issue of limited battery runtime. Yep, it's still a thing with the GoPro 12 Hero Black. Despite the advancements in technology, this new model still suffers from a battery that drains faster than we'd like. It's quite disappointing because we all want a device that can keep up with our active lifestyles without constantly needing to be charged. Unfortunately, this issue remains unresolved as the GoPro 12 still uses the same CPU, sensor, and a very similar lens to its previous models. So, while the GoPro 12 Hero Black may seem like a tempting upgrade, it's important to consider these potential drawbacks before taking the plunge. Overheating problems, minor quality night footage, and limited battery runtime can certainly put a damper on your adventure. Remember, it's always good to do your research and weigh the pros and cons before making any tech investments. Stay tuned for more honest reviews and analysis right here on our channel. Catch you in the next one.
And so this is after the second AI generated video, and that's definitely now the final part of the whole video. I mean, I'm not an experienced user to that. These were just my first two projects. But it would be really interesting to learn from you what you think about that. If you would watch such videos, what do you think other people would do? Would some new people even subscribe, or would existing subscribers unsubscribe because they think I would do only such stuff in the future? I mean, I'm definitely not going to do everything like that, but maybe if I don't have a lot of time, I would just do the research and then just let the AI finalize the video. But I would say 90% of the cases I will definitely do the videos manually as I did before. Of course, what's the negative point is that I think viewers could feel somehow a little bit disconnected from the channel owner when they don't hear the original voice. On the other hand, for example, in my case, it could be an advantage because my English is not really good, and usually I tend to make videos a little bit too long. So here, for example, in this case, you'll get all the necessary information in 2 minutes instead of maybe having to listen to me for 10 minutes. This could be then even an advantage. Yeah, so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and give you some insights what the AI video generating capabilities are on Kapwing.com. And so that's it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.